In this video, I'm going to show you a great way that you can embed individual Seesaw activities into Schoology. And the best thing about it is when you do this, the kids do not have to leave Schoology to complete the activity. So let me show you what I'm talking about. I have one called phonics. And when I clicked on it, you see that it opened. But what you also notice is that it opened inside Schoology. All right? So the cool thing about this is you can see my kids that are listed down below. I'm going to just click on Add Response. And the kid selects their name from the list. So I'm just going to pretend to be this person right here. And look what it does. It opens it up so that I can just start writing inside here and adding the sounds that I hear to my document. So once I complete this, and we're just going to pretend that I already have, all right, I'm now ready to turn this in, okay? I'm now going to just click over here where it has the little check mark. And now it hasn't been submitted. Okay? How easy was that? I love it. Now let's see how I did this and embedded it into Schoology. So what you're going to have to do is first, you're going to want to go to Seesaw and you're going to want to go into your class. You are going to create a class and you are going to put all the names inside of the class ahead of time so that all the kids have to do is click on their name. All right, so I'm going to do that. I've got my kids listed in here. Next, I'm going to go to where it says activities and I'm going to find an activity that I want to use. So right now it's listing the activities that I've already put on. I'm going to go to Add, and then I'm going to go to Assign an Activity. I'm going to click on Community, and I will pick the grade level, and I will pick the subject that I'm wanting to find one in. I'm going to do another one for English Language Arts. So this time, let's get this digraph sort. So I'm going to click on it. And I'm going to assign it into my class and assign. So it has now assigned it to my class. I'm going to go back to my class and here's that activity. So now I'm going to use these three little dots and I'm going to say get the student link. When I do that, look what it says. You can use this link in another LMS, which is what Schoology is. So I'm going to say copy and just close this out. Now I'm going back to Seesaw and I could put it in one of my weekly folders. So this way I can add an activity from Seesaw in each one of my days that I'm wanting to assign it. So I'm just going to add it here for time's sake. I'm going to click right here. I'm going to click on Add File Link External Tool. When I do that, I will click on Link and I will paste that link in and I will give it a name. Now I can't remember what that was. I'm just going to call it Seesaw Activity. Okay, I've added it. I'm going to say Add. Now when my kids click on this activity, they just will click on Add Response, find their name, and now they can simply start completing the activity. You will need to go to Seesaw to grade the activity because it won't be in Schoology and connected to that grade book. But now I will just click on Submit, and it will allow me to submit that to that. It is that easy to add a Seesaw activity Now you're able to add it multiple different places. This has now become my favorite way to embed Seesaw instead of using the external